Hello everyone, I am filling in for John tonight. John was talking to his cousin Tyler. John was looking at the Ford Electric Lightning pickup truck. 'Cause that's the only truck that John could drive. 'Cause it has the one pedal system where you could push the pedal down, especially with the hand control. And yes, John wants to go to Davies Ford near him to go look at one. 'Cause actually John wants to go buy it, but he wants to see if Davies Ford would let him do a commercial for it. And yes, in a video. And so he for his YouTube. And John's new YouTube is Best Cars and Trucks. And if you put the ampersand between the truck and the cars, the trucks and cars, it's